I was on the Volunteer with Palestinian Refugees programme here at the Excellence Centre. During that time I taught children at the Excellence Centre English. We went to meet children at the refugee camp and we taught them English, and also met with lots of local organisations to learn and understand Palestinian life, culture and history. And I found it an incredible experience. I've learnt a lot and I really enjoyed my time here.
So I was in the teaching program, teaching with the Palestinian kids and refugees. And it was a fantastic experience because I got to work with many different types of students, from very young to even adults at different levels.
I came to the Excellence Center for the journalism program, and my experience here was absolutely wonderful. I really learned a lot, both in my Arabic classes, and also the center introduced me to many Palestinian photojournalists, and I got to see their work and network with them and really understand what it means to be a journalist under occupation.
So I chose Palestine for different reasons. I think most importantly I wanted to do something different from normal traveling. Yeah, I just felt, there's so much happening right now in this area, the conflict, and I just felt I would like to see the things, how people live here firsthand, make my own opinion.
And it was quite different to what I was expecting. It's been really incredible. The people have been so friendly and helpful, and we've managed to meet lots of very interesting local people.
I felt incredibly safe in Palestine. The only times I saw any type of weaponry was during the checkpoints with the Israelis, but as a foreigner I didn't feel like I was in any danger at all. Hebron especially is an incredibly safe city, and I felt incredibly safe coming with the Excellence Center, and I would want everybody outside of Palestine to know that this is an incredibly beautiful, kind and hospitable place to come to, and that it is incredibly safe and you really should come.